Yep, that's going better. You just need to sit longer and warm up. Okay. So I got 2. I want 2 at least. I'm probably gonna have to add another stick. Yep, another stick added. We'll see how this goes. Probably gonna get hard on me again. Yep, I'm gonna put this down. Oh, I need to try my chin. There we go. I just use my chin to push down the stick. I'm just filling in the crevices and let just gravity do the work while it's cooling down. Also, another way to use these molds, you can use aluminite casting resin, and you should be able to tint it. And actually, that might be something I'm going to try in the future, because I actually prefer casting resin than using glue for molds, but I wanted to give this a try, so I think that might be my next project. Whoa, yeah, you can tell the glue needs to sit, because now it's getting harder. My hand's shaking when I squeeze. I just want 2 good ones of each. That's all I want. Get the whole bottom area covered so I get that waffle effect. Okay, there's one. Let's see if this one's done. Nope. Ooh, yeah, it's cooled down, but it's still taking time for it to cool. Actually, that's taking a while to cure. Look at that. It's not really hot, but look at that. So that casting resin might be my next stop. Okay, let's see if we can do this one now. So this will be my experiment for today. Because one thing I have not done yet is tint casting resin. So I'm gonna probably want to give that a try, because I actually prefer casting resin when it comes to making molds. Okay, technically they should dry just as hard as that stick is, so we'll see. We will see.